atmosphere in the university. Thank you, sir.
Dr. K. Lakshman.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is the most important and concerned issue pertaining to national security and it has impact on the youth, sir. This is the rising drug abuse and its impact on youth and national security. Sir, I rise to express deep concern over the rising of the drug abuse in India, which poses a grave threat not only to our youth, but our public health and even our internal security, sir. Well, the government of India has taken commendable steps through the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction and by strengthening the Narcotics Control Bureau and enforcement agencies. The scale of the crisis today requires even more urgent and targeted intervention, sir. According to the conservation estimates by the United Nations, 13% of the drugs now abuse victims in India are under the age of 20. This is the most concerned and alarming situation in the country, sir. Almost all the states and most of the districts are being affected. A staggering 100 million people in India are currently affected by substance addiction. And drug consumption has risen by 70% over the last 8 years, sir. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment previously reported there are nearly 31 million cannabis users, 24 million opioid users, and 7.7 million inhalant users in the country, sir. Now the problem is not merely medical, it is often social and structural, usually tied to unemployment, violence and exploitation. Even the celebrities in the country are also being victims of this particularly drug abuse, sir. Social scientists have warned that adolescent addiction is becoming endemic in pockets of vulnerability and drug abuse is increasingly linked to the rise in economic crimes also, sir. Through you, I urge the government to expand rehabilitation centers in high-risk districts, launch de-addiction and awareness campaigns in schools and colleges, strengthen coordination between enforcement, health and social agencies, sir. Crack down on drug peddlers, especially those who target education institutions, youth and students, and targeting Indian youth. Let us act before the silent epidemics robust as on our nation's future, sir. Thank you very much.
Shri Baburam Nishad.